Threading the Visetti. Visetti Super Deluxe has 2 thread guides on the front of the, or on the head of the machine. The rear thread guide is for the main threading the machine. So rear thread guide around the tensioner, and then you have to come up to this hook, and then around the outside of this little spring. So it goes around the outside and then behind this hook and up into the tensioner spring, take-up spring. And now the take-up arm. And then there's a guide here, and the guide on the needle bar. And then this machine threads from the right to left. No, wait, did I get that wrong? No, left to right. It threads from left to right.